pull the rust off.
Now we're going to, what are we doing, Rob?
Power washing.
We're going power washer?
We're hoping there's a truck on.
Hey, easy, bro. She's sensitive.
No rust.
He said rust was to a minimum. Just don't power wash around the rust, because then we're going to lose the rest of the fender and stuff.
Let's just hope this goes in the tires.
That's solid. Yeah, we're going to grind all that shit up, but we want to power wash it. It's going to be the start. And then we're going to power wash this and get the salt off. Even though it's raining outside, we're going to get all this gunk off the truck. And the trailer. The trailer is completely covered. And we're going to watch Rob throw his money away. I mean invest his money. I said it wrong, Rob. I said it wrong.
Best.
Beautiful part of the truck. Just a man and his truck. Oh shit, the truck has a period.
She's throwing up. This is how you really get to the rust. Oh, it just goes through. Alright, so we did what we can. Got most of the salt off. Looking good. Looking good. And got most of the salt off. Engine bay washed. Got all the crud off the trailer. She's almost ready for, after we strip some more of that surface rust off, she'll be ready for paint. Obviously take the bed off, all the fun stuff. And I got the sawed off my good old girl here. Look how much the tires stick out on that. All right, till next time.